हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ऑल अबाउट जीके एंड जीएस। फ्रेंड्स, आज का वीडियो है एसएससी एमटीएस प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस 5th अगस्त का ऑल शिफ्ट। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट मैच्ड करेक्टली? कुचिपुड़ी आंध्र प्रदेश, मोहिनी अट्टम उड़ीसा, यक्षगाना कर्नाटका, गरबा गुजरात। डांस फॉर्म्स है और स्टेट्स है। राइट आंसर इज मोहिनी अट्टम, क्योंकि ये केरला का है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग न्यूज़पेपर was edited by Dada Saheb Naroji? Options are Maharatta, Sharnwad Kaumudi, Rashtragoftar, Shom Prakash. Right answer is Rashtragoftar. Next question is the book Every Child Matters is written by Chetan Bhagat, Jawaharlal Nehru, Arun Shourie, Kailash Satyarthi. Right answer is Kailash Satyarthi. P. Pragnanda relates to which game? Golf, tennis, badminton, chess. Right answer is chess. Which of the following rivers is not an east flowing river? Vamshadhara, Mahi, Subarnarekha, Vagi. Right answer is Mahi. Who is the Slovakia's first female president? Zuzana Kaputova, Zerimok, Betty Miller, Valentina Tereshkova. Right answer is Zuzana Kaputova. According to 2011 census, which of the following state has the largest rural population? Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Maharashtra. Right answer is Uttar Pradesh. The dash is vested with the responsibility of conducting monetary policy. Options are different banks, Reserve Bank of India, SEBI या Central Bank. Right answer is Reserve Bank of India. The SI unit of power of lens is kilowatt, joule, diopter, vol. Right answer is diopter. Which of the following was the first fort by English East India Company in India? Fort William, Fort St. George, Masulipatam, Patnam, Savory Fort. Right answer is Fort St. George. The launch vehicle of Mars orbiter mission was PSLV C-45, C-42, C-25 or C-46. Right answer is PSLV C-25. Which of the following state of India has the longest coastline? Very common question. Maharashtra, Odisha, Kerala, Gujarat. Right answer is Gujarat. The National Diamond Institute is located at Vadodara, Surat, Vapi, Gandhinagar. Right answer is Surat. Which of the following is a secondary pollutant? Carbon monoxide, smoke, carbon dioxide, fly ash. Right answer is smoke. The invention of crescograph is associated with which of the following scientists of India? Homi J. Bhabha, Meghnad Shah, Satyendra Nath Bose, Jagdish Chandra Bose. Right answer is Jagdish Chandra Bose. Which of the following statements about the Lok Sabha is not correct? A money bill can be introduced in the Lok Sabha. No confidence motion against the Council of Ministers can only be moved in Lok Sabha. The Union Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. If the question arises where a bill is a money bill or not, the decision of the leader of the opposition shall be final. First three options सारा correct है, last option is not correct. If the question arises whether a bill is a money bill or not, the decision of the leader of the opposition shall be final. Next question is, how many times President has declared national emergency in India? 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, या only 1 times? Right answer is 3 times. Who won men's singles title at the 2019 Australian Open? Roger Federer, Andy Murray, Novak Djokovic, Rafael Nadal. Right answer is Novak Djokovic. Next is, as of June 2019, who is the Minister of Jal Shakti? Mahendra Nath Pandey, Prakash Javadekar, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, या Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi? Right answer is Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Which of the following is not a factor of production? Tax, capital, labor, land. Right answer is tax. Autotrophic mode of nutrition requires methane, carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and sunlight, carbon monoxide and water, chlorophyll and oxygen. ऑटोट्रोफ उसको बोलते हैं जो खुद से अपना खाना बनाता है, और वो कौन है? प्लांट. तो प्लांट को क्या क्या चाहिए न्यूट्रिशन के तौर पे? राइट आंसर इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर, क्लोरोफिल एंड सनलाइट. मांद फोक म्यूजिक रिलेटेड टू विच स्टेट? मणिपुर, मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश या राजस्थान? राइट आंसर इज राजस्थान. Congregational singing of Shabad is related to Mahavir Jayanti, Buddha Purnima, Muharram या Guru Parab? Right answer is Guru Parab. With reference to the national movement of India, when was the Pune Pact signed? 1923, 1933, 1922 या 1932? Right answer is 1932. Who is the Femina Miss India 2019? Manusi Chillar, Anukriti Vas, Shreya Sankar या Suman Rao? Right answer is Suman Rao. Which of the following books is not written by Chetan Bhagat? Making India Awesome, Wise and Otherwise, One Indian Girl या Revolution 2020? Right answer is Wise and Otherwise. अगर आप करंट अफेयर्स टॉपिक वाइज देखना चाहते हैं तो मैंने अपने चैनल पे इंपॉर्टेंट गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स, पीएम योजना अंटिल 2021, इंपॉर्टेंट अपॉइंटमेंट्स, कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स के वीडियोस डाले हैं, तो आप वो देख सकते हैं. दैट विल बी वेरी यूजफुल फॉर योर अपकमिंग एग्जाम एंड ऑल्सो दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एनी अपकमिंग एग्जाम. तो आप उससे करंट अफेयर्स कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. मैं और भी वीडियोस करंट अफेयर्स से रिलेटेड लाऊंगी टॉपिक वाइज. तो आप अगर मेरे चैनल को आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन पे प्रेस करिए ताकि जो भी वीडियो अपलोड हो वो आपको सबसे पहले मिले. So next is, which of the following state government approved an amendment to Factories Act 1948 in June 2019? Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra और गुजरात? Right answer is Goa. In 15th century, who among the following was one of the leading proponents of Vaishnavism in Assam? Jayadeva, Shankaradeva, Raidas, Ghasidas? Right answer is Shankaradeva. Which of the following is the highest peak of Eastern Ghats? Kolari Betta, Anamudi, Mahendragiri, Doda Betta? Right answer is Mahendragiri. Who among the following is not a Bharat Ratna awardee? M.G. Ramachandran, Vinoba Bhave, Morarji Desai, Shyam Prasad Mukherjee? Right answer is Shyam Prasad Mukherjee. How many watts are there in 1 horsepower? 746, 766, 756 या 736 watt? Right answer is 746 watt. Which of the following stupa is declared as protected area of national importance in 2019? Dhamek stupa, Rambhar stupa, Kesaria stupa, Chaukhandi stupa. Right answer is Chaukhandi stupa. Which gas is produced when metal reacts with dilute acids? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen या hydrogen? Right answer is hydrogen. Long Walk to Freedom is the autobiography of? Very common question. Abraham Lincoln, Nelson Mandela, John F. Kennedy, Kofi Annan. Right answer is Nelson Mandela. On which of the following river Nagarjun Sagar Dam is situated? Godavari, Kaveri, Mahanadi, Krishna. Right answer is Krishna. Which of the following eye part is 3D printed by scientists in 2018? Lens, iris, retina, cornea. Right answer is cornea. Who among the following becomes the fastest batsman to reach 20,000 international runs? Shikhar Dhawan, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma या MS Dhoni? Right answer is Virat Kohli. Which of the following plant is bryophyte? Options are fern, algae, moss, cycas. Right answer is moss. As of June 2019, who is the president of Indian Olympic Association? Narayan Ramchandran, Rajiv Mehta, Abhay Singh Chautala, Narendra Batra. Right answer is Narendra Batra. What was the name of India's lone female orangutan who died in the zoo of Odisha? Pinni, Binni, Ginni या Tinni? Right answer is Binni. In the context of medieval India, which of the following pair is correct? Dorte, Barbosa, Portugal, Al-Biruni, Turkey, Francois, Berner, Spain, Marco Polo, Morocco. Right answer is Dorte Barbosa, Portugal. From which country the Indian Constitution borrowed the provision of power of judicial review and independence of the judiciary? Japan, Australia, Germany या USA? Right answer is USA. Where is the headquarters of Bank of Baroda situated? Kolkata, Mumbai, Vadodara, Pune. Right answer is Vadodara. Who among the following is a flute player? Ravi Shankar, Hari Prasad Chaurasia, Shiv Kumar Sarma, Zakir Hussain? Right answer is Hari Prasad Chaurasia. According to the Union Budget 2019, the custom duty on gold and other precious metal hiked from 10% to 0.105, 0.12, 0.125, 0.11. Right answer is 0.125. In which of the following states of India is the Motsu festival celebrated? Nagaland, Tripura, Assam, West Bengal? Right answer is Nagaland. The tagline of the UCO Bank is good people to bank with, where every individual is committed, honors your trust, faithful and friendly. Right answer is honors your trust. Which article of Indian Constitution constitutes abolition of untouchability? Article 25, Article 26, Article 17 या Article 21? Right answer is Article 17. As of 2018, the largest producer of coca bean is Cuba, India, Ivory Coast, Brazil. Cocoa bean. Right answer is Ivory Coast. During Mughal period, the Sanskrit Mahabharat was translated into Persian as Sahanama, Razamnama, Tutinama, Badshahnama. Right answer is Razamnama. थैंक यू गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। अगर आपको ये वीडियो थोड़ा भी पसंद आया होगा तो इसे प्लीज़ लाइक करिए, और अगर आपको मेरे चैनल यूज़फुल लगता है तो ही इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए। और मैं हर रोज़ स्टैटिक जीके के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस और करंट अफेयर्स पे वीडियो लाती हूँ। तो अगर आप न्यू हैं चैनल पे और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना चाहते हैं तो इसे जल्दी सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन पे प्रेस करिए ताकि आपको मेरे आने वाले हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिले। और स्टे ट्यून्ड विथ माय चैनल। थैंक्स अ लॉट।